Alright, welcome back guys to another video. Today we're gonna actually be starting this video really quick because it is right now 4:30 and sun is gonna be down by like 5:30, so we have like an hour and I still need to drive like a good 30 minutes with traffic, and I have like no fuel in my car. So we have a little problem to begin with. I'm gonna see if I can get this done today, but as you can see, our headlights are a little foggy, and that's because of the condensation. With all the snow and like the rain and all that, it like got in somehow. I think it's because of the LEDs. You know how they have to breathe. I left them open, like so there's a cap, right? And I made a little hole in the cap just for the LEDs could like breathe a little bit, and I guess that's how all the like moisture is getting in there. So it's not too crazy, but you know, we can't have that. We just got these. This one, on the other hand, this one's like decently fine. As you can see, nothing like really bad with it, but it did have a little condensation as well. Oh, like it looks like it's winking at me. Like condensation, no condensation. Like no, we can't have that. And then you guys already know we did this last video, right? You know, beautiful look, beautiful, beautiful. But now we have this ugly thing here that we have to get rid of. So obviously we're gonna do that in today's video, but we gotta go because as you can see, we're like literally on E. Let's hurry up and get out of here. And don't mind me, I'm looking a little rough, but it's okay. We out. That's with my little like 3 cents off. So it's $4.38 right now. 5 gallons in. It's already almost $30. Oh my God, man. When is this stuff gonna change? Grand total, $50. Exactly. Alright, so before we leave, you know, just wanted to show you guys this. It's still going good, man. It's still looking beautiful. Yeah, this is like my favorite color right here. But yeah. We good. We good. It's going good. We installed it perfectly. It hasn't like died on us or anything. So there's your little update on how everything's going. This is how you tell you have a project car. Look at all that oil, boy. And then look what we got here. My man got the new shoes. Sheesh. The new shoes all around. Oh, where's your old wheels? Oh, damn, never mind. He threw them away.
Look at that. And it's Pro Charge.
Uh-oh. That cop came up a little quick behind him.
Oh, it's an event. So, oh, wait, this is 18th?
No,
one
yeah.
there.
What, Bad Bunny?
No, the Goblin Trotters.
Globe Trotters?
Globe Trotters, yeah.
Come on, guy, hurry up.
You get the chop on that shit? Okay.
Bro, just straight pipe it. You gonna be shooting cannons, boy. Alright, so you guys already seen the nasty fourth brake light that we have here, right? And like the reverse lights right there, obviously. But like it doesn't turn on or doesn't look aesthetically pleasing as these freaking tail lights, right? Well, we got the matching pair for that fourth brake light to be thrown away, and it is right here. Look at that. You see the beauty? You see the white little line? A nice LED. And then it has the brake light right here, which actually flashes as well. What I don't like is that it stays on, like I said. And we're actually going to have to open it up and do some like little soldering tricks that I've seen, for you could just have like this little LED light right here stay on, and then when you actually press on the brake, the car's light right here actually flashes, and then when you let off the brake, it turns off, which is what we're going to do in literally a couple minutes. I'm going to show you what I do here. I'll leave a link in the description of the video that I actually watched. So you guys, if you guys actually end up picking these up and don't like the way they sit and want to do it the same way I did it, then you guys could obviously just click on that link and copy that. But let's get this done because it's freaking cold out and it's already, as you can see, 6:16. So we out. All right, since the heater's on, because we're in a garage and it's mad cold, I'm gonna quickly yell. So all you gotta do is take off the backing. See, this is the back of the actual Valenti fourth brake light. It's just screws, so it's super easy to take off. And then in here's the actual wiring, right? So to do what I want to do, you gotta take off this little green wire right here, unsolder it from this connection right here, at that point, and then connect it with this red wire right there that says fog, right? And you're gonna have them both connected. And then take this orange wire right here, if you could like tell the difference, where it says stop right here, this orange wire, and you're gonna literally transfer it over to where it says fog, and that's it, you're done. And then you put everything back together and then you should be good in the hood. All right, as you can see, the green and red wire are soldered together and put some heat shrink, and then the orange wire literally just moved it over to the right there. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Now put everything back.
I think it took like 5 minutes.
Literally. All right, so we made it into the back of the trunk now. So all you gotta do is disconnect your factory like fourth brake light harness, which is literally connected right there. That's the Valenti one, but that's the factory one right there. It's connected right there, so it's not hard to find. It's literally just take off this little middle piece right here that's right above your trunk latch, and then you'll find it right there. Voila. So what you need to do is this long cable, you need to route it from the factory place from the factory place where this little harness comes from, which is all the way back there, right there. There should be a grommet. You see a little black cable? That should be a grommet, but I pushed it through so I could pull it from underneath. See, like this is where your tail light is at. See, give you like a little better view right there. It's not hard at all, promise you. If I could do it, you could do it. And then just go from underneath and pull it out. And for your fourth brake light, there's actually two 10mm bolts on top, which are going to be like on top, like right here, like that you just got to take off. Here, let me give you an actual representation of where it's at. See the triangles, like literally like right above the triangles right there. See? So 10mm, 10mm, and then there is a tab underneath right here, which is kind of tricky to get out, but not really. It's easy. It's just a little tab, and it's out. And then you got obviously your light bulbs in the back for your reverse lights, which really you can't see crap anyway, so it doesn't even matter. But here it is. All you gotta do is pull this out. Alright, well, it's harder than it looks, but all you gotta do is pull that out and then reroute the new wire through that little hole, take it back up, right, and then connect it to the factory there, and then, you know, put your fourth brake light in here, your Valenti one, put the two 10mm bolts in, and you're done with the bottom. And then, if you have Valenti taillights like I do, all you gotta do is wire it. See, this is the actual taillight wiring harness, right? You see there's all the little different colors right there. You got the blue, the yellow, and then the red is underneath right there, and then the black, which is right there, but I don't know how well you can see it. But you're gonna tap into literally the blue and the red right there, which is the blue is for like your constant, and then the red is your brake light. So you could tap into there, or you could tap into your factory wiring harness, which is right here, which I don't want to do. So I'm just gonna tap into these real quick to make it much easier, for I don't have to mess with my wiring harness from factory. And then that should be it, and then everything should be working. So let me go place these back real quick, and then I'll pick up the camera again. All right, so this is looking a little crazy right now, but this is the wiring from the Valenti fourth brake light, right? Okay, let's move all this out the way, bro. Okay. Oh my God. Vete pa' allá, coño. Okay. Fucking shit, bro. Anyways, this is the brake light, fourth brake light wiring, right? Right here, you see that one of the wires is actually out. If it would focus right here, it's the light blue one. There's three. There's the ground, and then you have like a dark blue one right here, or teal, whatever you want to call it, and then the light blue one. You take it out. I took it out the pin right here, depin it, super easy. There's like a little lever in there that you just gotta like push it down. Yeah, like literally just push it down and it pops out. So I added some wire. I mean, you could cut the harness and take out the blue wire and connect it over there. But what I did, I just extended it. And then same thing with this red wire. It comes factory with yours, so you don't have to do anything. And this is how I spliced it in. So you take, the only two wires you're going to use is red and blue out of the factory, I mean not the factory, out of the factory Valenti taillight harness, right? So it's simple. It's blue to blue and red to red. So the blue is for the blue right here, the little light blue. Connect that there, boom. And then the red little cable or wire right here connects to the red on the Valenti taillights. And that is it. Super simple. And we are good to go. Like, see, it's already connected. Look how good that looks. I mean, you gotta look like from under here if you could completely see it. But it looks good, nonetheless. Matches the taillights. See? So now we're gonna turn it on. See how it actually came out and see if it actually works. Sheesh, boys. This is what it looks like. And we did that little wiring trick for the actual brake light doesn't actually illuminate, only when you brake. Calvin, step on the brake for me. There you go. See? Perfect. Look at that. Look how that matches. Shit. Beautifully. I mean, you gotta be like underneath to be able to see it, like this. Like when you're driving, you're gonna be able to see it, but not if you're above it, obviously. But that's it. We're good to go. All right, so we're back home now, and this is what the rear end looks like. That looks so much better than the factory little freaking brake light that we had. Look at that. Bro. It kind of reminds me of like a little Tron bike or something. But it's cool. It's freaking cool. I love it. Look at that. Way more aggressive. Even though probably like 99% of the FRSs and BRZs have the same look, guess what? Now I got it too. Because this one's mine and I like it. It's kind of like smiling at you. See like the little eyes right here? One eye, another eye, and then like a little smiley. Alright. That's stupid. Let me stop.